In this video, I will show you how to run TikTok ads to get TikTok followers to your page.
We're going to open our TikTok ads manager. Then we're going to create our ads from this interface. Now for TikTok ads, there are three categories. The first one is campaign, ad group, and the ad. Now we're going to start with our campaign. So we're going to click on create here. Once you click on create, an interface like this will open. Just click on switch to full version and click confirm. Then we'll get another interface where we are going to choose our objectives. Since we want to drive our traffic, we want to gain more followers on our TikTok account. So we are going to use community interactions. Then you scroll down, you come here, name our campaign name. Since we want to drive more followers to our TikTok account, I'm going to name it followers. Followers ads. Then we'll copy it. We're going to use it on our ad group. Then these ones, all this, you just leave it. Click on continue. Then we'll go to our next level, which is ad group. We come here, we name it the same way we named our campaign. Click on paste it, ads followers. For placement, it's only TikTok account, so we just leave it like that. For targeting, we are targeting people from Kenya. Location is Kenya. Age group is all. Gender, we are putting it at all. Then for language, we are going to leave it at English. Then spending power, we are going to leave it at all. Now this one we'll just leave it. For interests, since we want followers, we will not name any interest. We just leave it like that. Then for devices, we're going to leave it at all. And connection type also, we are going to leave it at all. Career, we're going to leave it at all. Internet service providers, also we are going to leave it at all. Device price, we leave it at any price. Now with that, we are going to put our budget here. We're going to use 1000 Kenya shillings. Then we are going to set when we want our ads to start. So we want this ad to run only for 1 day. So it will start today. Let's set time. For time, we are going to set it at 6 p.m. Just set our time. Then click OK. Click OK. Then we come click on our time zone. Our time zone is East African time in Kenya. You can choose depending on which country you are in. Then we set our end date. We want it for only 1 day. So we just choose it to go for 24 hours. Click OK. Now if you're getting any value from this video, just click on the subscription button, like and share this video for more people to learn. Then with that, for departing, we're going to leave it at all. Binding and optimization, we want followers, so we leave it at follow. Bidding strategy, we are going to leave it at maximum delivery. Then we are going to click on continue, go to our last interface. Now our last interface is ad name. We'll just name it the same way we have named our ad group and the campaign. Then scroll down, add our videos and images. Now here you can add videos or images from your PC or laptop. You can add from here. If you have images on your PC, you can add them from here. But if you have your videos or images on your TikTok account, you just come here, choose your image, then click confirm. This is an image that you want to use. Then you scroll down, just scroll down, come here for tracking. This one we leave it for TikTok will do the tracking for us. Now with that, just come click on publish. then our ad will go for review. Once TikTok finishes to review the ads, it will go live. Now make sure you share this video, like, subscribe if you have not subscribed, and if you have any question, just put it on the comment section. I will answer all of them.